How to change music in Instagram posts. Want to change the music in your Instagram post? Here's the easy way to do it. So first, go ahead and check your post type. Music can only be added or changed in Reels and Stories. Standard photo posts don't support built-in music. So for example, this specific post, if you try to edit this by clicking on this top right of your screen, you'd basically find an edit button. But once you head over into the edit page, you don't have the option to change the song. So you can only change it if it's a reel or story. If your reel is still in drafts, open it, tap audio, and select a new track. You can trim or adjust the clip before posting. Once a reel or story is published, Instagram does not allow changing the music. To update, you'll need to delete and re upload with new audio. When creating a new reel, tap on the audio, search for your song, and choose the exact clip you want to use.